everyone, welcome back to the gardening guys. So it's a bit different. I'm Michael, normally the cameraman, but I'm here with... Who are you?
Hello, it's Bailey again.
Bailey again. Bailey, what are we covering today?
So, as I've said in a previous video where you've seen the water butt, I'm going to explain why it's so important to preserve your water and how you can preserve it.
So on this site, especially currently with the weather, there is a water tap somewhere here. We'll just go and have a... Oh yes, that box there. And there should be a nice little sign on it that the management put on. Yeah. So the water is currently off. So on this site we don't currently have running water, and obviously it's drilled into people that have allotments to do water preservation. So you'll see sites like this one next to Shane's that have got water butts all over them. And Shane's also in the process of redoing that with brand new water butts. So what's the easiest way to preserve water on allotment?
Try and use it sparingly, and don't just keep having your taps running all the time and using a hose like some allotments do. And the way that you can preserve it is, as you've seen over there with the water butt, on top of your shed you can have your gutter in, and then a gutter pipe going into a water butt, and then the rainwater comes off, goes on a slant because it's got a slanted shed roof, falls off, and then the flow goes straight into the water butt.
So obviously on Shane's plot we've got the big massive water tank.
Yeah.
What else can you use? Because it's not just that big massive tank we've got on here either, is it?
No, we have another one of these.
Obviously that one's not Shane's.
Like this is obviously not Shane's, but when the water, with the water butt, you can empty it and fill these, so you don't have to go constantly to and from your water butt.
So we've got the big massive main tank.
Yeah.
And we've got now two water butts. One in this polytunnel here, and the other one just behind it, between the two polytunnels that people have obviously seen us using in previous videos. Okay, how else can you preserve water? Do you want me to help you with that one?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, so hose pipes, obviously, Bailey said, not really the best idea when you're using tanked water. So watering cans. Use your watering cans and use them wisely. Obviously, water to a need. So if they need watering, like if we're looking here, it doesn't need watering. There's no point doing it. You're just wasting your water. Bailey's vaping. Caught him. I was going to put it on camera, but I'm not going to because I know what flavour he's got and I don't want to get copyright striked or get done in for it. Okay, so yeah, water to a need. You don't want to be splashing water left, right and centre if it's not necessarily needed. I think Shane's on the phone, so I can't point the camera that way. But we'll go and show them the main water butt that we've got down there. And obviously, there's quite a few people. If you look around, there's this one here that's got it. It's got a water butt there. There's another one there. There's quite a few people doing the exact same route that Shane's gone with his. That is obviously the best method to collect water. Let's just get down here. And Shane is indeed on the phone. So you'll see these dotted around, and he's got it onto the back of the shed with some guttering on the back of the shed that comes down this pipe and straight into the top of the water butt that, as Bailey covered in one of the previous videos, does have access
to the tap
for water if we do need to get water out. So that's already open. He's got that closed now. Keep that closed so it doesn't freeze and obviously you lose your water supply. But that was full, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Until recently.
So these go up to about 100 gallons of water. That's the mark just here. It can go slightly over, so I'm guessing estimating it to
120, 130.
130 gallons of water.
This was full. We have had this brimming to the top, but this has been emptied, well, drained down a little bit.
To fill them water butts.
I filled a water butt the last time I was down here, and you've had the new one in the polytunnel that you filled today.
Yeah.
So if you do see any of these lying around and you've got people that have allotments, it might be worth asking whoever owns them if they're using them, and two, if you can take them away, because they are very handy to have. Okay. Do you want to sign it off then? Because I did the intro.
Why not? So once again, thank you for watching us, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I always like the feedback, always leave a comment below. See you in the next one.